All right, in case you hadn't heard, Mother's Day this weekend. If you haven't searched out a gift for mom, special lady in the family, you don't have much time. So I brought in a couple of our partners, May and Garrett from AgeLess Zen, talking about some of the Mother's Day packages and products that you have. May, Garrett, tell me about this Mother's Day package. This is a pretty good deal, one-stop shopping here.
Yes, let me introduce you some of our products in this gift set, and then Garrett can give you a really short science part of it. Basically, this gift set has everything that you need for a really great routine for a mom. You know, the cleanser, it was natural with Pro as an exfoliator, and also the day cream and the night cream, the mist, and two of our newest serum, which is including vitamin C and the hyaluronic acid. Not only that, you also can delight mom with the beautiful scarf, which I'm wearing, and it's really soft, silky, and it's just a great remembrance of the love you give it to your mom. So Garrett,
tell us about the science behind these products.
Sure. So that's something that is really the core of our company, is the research and vetting that we do on our ingredients. Making sure that they're natural, that they're science-based. By science-based, I mean that they're clinically proven to be effective. And so we've really gone the extra mile to formulate with the highest quality of ingredients. And what's great is it's all put together in one great kit for mom.
All right, so talking about mom, it's this weekend. Can you order it and get it received, or can you pick it up in time for this weekend?
Well, you can do both. We will be in our, actually, we're working with Rotary doing some work for planting new trees. So Saturday afternoon, we will be in our premise. So if you want to pick up in the last minute, come on Saturday afternoon, we will be there. And also, if you order now, we can do express shipping to you, and mom will get it.
Okay. And Garrett, I understand it's a little bit of a discount from normal retail for this weekend.
Right, yeah, we're doing a $50 discount. So you can get the whole kit, including the beautiful satin scarf, for $250. You can find this on our webpage at AgeLessZen.com. And like May mentioned, we will be at our lab this whole weekend. So be sure to, if you want to, drop by. We're right behind the Round Hill Shopping Center.
All right, I have to ask. We've got the aloe plant here. I'm sure that's part of the package and part of the product, some of the ingredients.
Sure, yeah, we use aloe as our solvent. Most companies use water as a solvent, but we appreciate the polysaccharides and complex sugars that are in the aloe plant. They're really great for carrying nutritious vitamins and elements to your skin, so that they don't just sit on top, they penetrate for efficacy.
All right, it's educational and it's a great gift from mom. So if you get a chance, go online. May, you've got an event this weekend on Saturday where you can stop by and pick up as well, and it's for a good cause, planting some trees?
Yes, planting some tree for the high school, the middle school actually in Suffolk Cove. But after that, the Rotary and us will be coming back to 218 L Points Road, which is our headquarters. We will be, having a little potluck. So come on over, if you feel like that you need to pick up something at the last minute. And also on our website, if you don't have enough time to pick up in the last minute, get mom a gift card. We have a gift card, and mom can pick it up by herself, next week or whenever she's available.
All right, if you procrastinate like I have done, make sure you go to AgeLess Zen to the website or stop by the Zephyr Cove location this weekend. I promise you that weather forecast and on location with Brian Schofield coming right up.